Balance 991 V2 Caramel Cafe, crafted in the UK's Flimby factory, blends heritage quality with a fall-ready palette for fall and winter 2025. Caramel suede overlays pair with a light brown mesh base, complemented by creamy accents on the tongue, laces, and underlays. A dark gray reflective end logo with white trim provides contrast, while neutral tones extend to the heel tab and mudguard. The dual-tone ENCAP midsole mixes white and khaki, housing golden yellow ABZORB SBS pods for subtle pops of color. Grounded by a brown rubber outsole, the design balances comfort, durability, and style. Priced at $250, it launches via newbalance.com and select retailers worldwide. Ideal for both relaxed and polished outfits, this edition modernizes New Balance's classic running silhouette with earthy, seasonal tones and thoughtful material details.